Writing, that is consistent practice in writing, is the key to success in the Civil Services Examination. Hi, I'm Sosin Revella, Faculty of Anthropology for Civil Services Exam. If you are an aspirant for Civil Services, the optional subject of Anthropology, I am here to help you out. In the last more than 20 years of experience that I have in guiding the students for civil services, I have always been immensely passionate so that this can help you in scoring high marks in the main examination and hence securing the service. The vital questions that bother the student are what are the areas to be prepared for this current exam and how to prepare, what is the depth of the answer that you have to write, and optimizing the time and various other strategies. So, young people, I'm here to give you all the strategies. The main objective of this program is to guide you to score 320 plus. And yeah, it is possible with this consistent writing that are required to score high in the UPSC Civil Services Anthropology optional. There is this program which is very close to my heart. That is the long-term anthropology test series that runs over 6 months of time. During these 6 months, I shall see to it that you get the best of the output in your writing through the 28 tests, meaning there are about 6 comprehensive tests and 4 sectional tests, and the rest of them from the chapter-wise tests. Enough of time to revise and repeat the same topics so that you get the excellent preparation. And here, the key here is when you are writing the examination within 24 hours of time, your video explanation will be provided. So if at all you are somebody who studied in the last couple of years or more than that, you would get to know the latest topics, latest case studies, etc. to be added in your answers so that you are abreast with the subject in the contemporary way. And secondly, your evaluated papers would reach you within 72 hours of your uploading on the portal. So I think you have both these, the most required ones, your beautiful inputs, timely inputs by the faculty, so that you know where you are exactly going wrong. Secondly, what is the content that should go into your answers? And this beautiful program, I'm commencing in September 2024. This would run into 6 months, as I said. You can, of course, get enrolled during any of these times. So this is going to be the beautiful opportunity to you to score high, to enjoy, once again, the journey of anthropology, going into all the small and big topics which might be asked in the upcoming examination of 2025 Civil Services Main Examination. So what are you waiting for? For the details of this program, you can check the description link, and to get in touch with us, you can call on the number that is given on the screen. Have a great anthro time. Thank you.